having surgery. I am going to Miami.
Baby, what you wanna do?
Wait.
Taking notes of my keyboard. What you bothering me?
So, I'm having surgery. Oh, OMG. Yes. I am going to Miami. Yes, I'm getting a tummy tuck. I'm having surgery at 305 Plastic Surgery, which is located in Miami, Florida. Wow. I can't believe I'm finally doing this. It's been years in the making that I have debated if I should just get this, should I get that. I'm gonna get it done. Okay. My birthday is in November. I want at least 3 months before my birthday so I could be just right. So I could have at least 3 months of recovery. Yes, I am flying to Miami for surgery. Why? Because. Anywho, we'll talk about that. My doctor is Dr. Goldberg, certified. He's been doing surgery for many, many years. A lot of y'all don't know, I did take a trip already down to Miami about a month and a half ago. And now I'm going back. I will be having my pre-op, my last pre-op, and then surgery. Let's go. Matter of fact, before we even get started, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you are not a fan of surgery, that's right, Bubble Jr. If you're not a fan of plastic surgery, I have about 305 other videos that you can look at. I know people say I don't need surgery, but yes, I do. Reasons why I'm doing it, I will talk about that later. Anywho, let's get started. Let go. Hey everybody. So on my way to drop to drop off Bubbles at the babysitter. He do not like going there. As you can tell, he's yelling. There he go in his cage with the seatbelt on. He do not like going there because he knows she grooms him, cuts his nails, shave down his beak, and if he needs his wings clipped or anything like that. I haven't clipped his wings in a long time. I realize it's for his safety to clip his wings. I know some of y'all are not too fond of something like that, but yeah, I could go on what he do. But anywho, he go in this cage, he know what time it is. But let's go and take him to the shop so he can board. You ready, Bubbles? It's okay, baby. It's okay. I know, it's okay. Alright, let's go. Made it to the bird shop. Gonna be dropping off Bubbles real quick. He's not happy, but gotta go. Gotta do surgery, you know what I mean? So Bubbles. You ready? You ready to go? Alright, he ain't happy, but we got to. Let's see if he wants to get out the cage, which normally takes me a while, so taking out some toys for him to play with while we're not here. over here. He has to go in this cage, but we'll see. He does not like to come out the cage, so oh well. Okay, he's in the cage. Actually, it was a lot quicker than I normally get him in this cage. It only took 2 minutes. Look at him. Say hi, Baba. You see all the other birds here? They just talking. Let's see. See? Ooh, African gray. Little bird. Say hi. What up? Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty bird. Hello. Hello. Hi, pretty bird. Well, hello. Hi, pretty bird. Well, hello. Anyway, I'm in here bothering. These are all birds that are boarding. They're not for sale, but there's always birds here for sale for adoption. Oh, this is like one of my favorites right here. Look at that one. You're so cute. Alright, mommy gonna see you. I know, what you say? Aw, don't be shy, it's okay. Yeah. I love the baby. Oh, the papa. Oh, the papa? Hmm? I love you. I love you. I hate to leave him, but I have to. If I could take him with me to Miami, I would. But I'm getting ready to go to the airport in a couple of hours, so I had to drop him off now. And I wish I could take him, but I can't. So I'll see y'all next clip. Okay, dropped off Bubbles. Oh boy, it's so bittersweet. I do not like leaving him, but there's nothing I could do. He can't fly with me to Miami, so he has to go there. Nevertheless, I come back on a Wednesday. I'll be here to pick him up on the Thursday because it's going to be too late. It is hot. It is hot. As you can see, I'm sweating. No, I ain't got no damn makeup, but y'all crazy. Whew. This is Arizona. It's like 105 degrees. And it's humid, which is not normally humid. Humidity heat is worse than dry heat. And normally Arizona has dry heat, but it's been raining every day this whole week, including last week. But anywho, I have one more run to make. I had to stop at Walmart to pick up my water because I know when I come back, I want to be worrying about my water. I could be able to lift anything heavy. So let's go and get my order. And yes, I did order in line, which I'm getting spoiled. I'm kind of liking that, you know, but so if you never did any pickup delivery from Walmart, you will never know. You got to download the app, then let them know that you're here. Oh.
What's the first and last name on your order?
Yeah, this time they didn't even wait for me to even say I was here. He just came right up to me. Let me move the camera. Okay, that's better. So what you do is you put your order in on the app or online, and you order what you want, you pay for it, you pick a time you want to pick up your products, or you can have it delivered. I did delivery one time. One of my products wasn't available at the moment. They said they will send it to me. I never got it. They said it was just out of stock and late, so I canceled it. So me personally, when I order from Walmart on the app, if I can't pick it up, I don't want it. And they will ask if you want it inside your they will ask if you want it in your back seat or you want it in your trunk. If you open up your trunk, they automatically just put it there. So that's what I did. I miss Bubbles already. I just dropped him off. I don't like leaving. I'm used to him being around me, so right now I'm just gonna wait for my food. Actually, it's not food, it's just water and some peas. I'm gonna wait for my food, and I'm gonna head back home, clean his cage out. I already water my plant. Then it's just to relax. My bags are packed, and y'all probably next time y'all see me, I'll be heading to the airport, which I'm taking the red eye, which is the best way to fly. Adios. It's almost time. I'm so excited about doing this freaking surgery. I just want to get it over with. I cannot believe that I am finally doing this. Woo! No turn back now.
Like underneath anywhere? Let's see. Is this a regular flight card?
We're running late. We're supposed to leave at 11:45 p.m. It is now 12:23 due to the flight. We didn't have any attendance, so hour later. Now in the plane, sitting down, waiting. Everybody is boarding. So instead of being there at 7:18, I guess we'll be there like 8 something, 8:30 in the morning. So I'm tired. I will check in with y'all later.
It's pure,
Plastic surgery, why